Welcome to Season 3, Episode 1 of the Abarth Chronicles. This is my second year of ownership, starting the third year of ownership of this car. In the 2 years I've had it, I put 15,000 miles on the car. Other than oil changes and a tire rotation, I haven't done any maintenance to it yet. So first maintenance due right now. Battery change. I've been wanting to change this too, this battery blanket. I've been wanting to change this. This has been beat up since I got this car, but I really had no reason to change it. I got a new one and I got a new battery. So this is a 13mm socket, and I'll figure this one out right now, but pretty straightforward. And then somewhat bad news. If you have one of these cars, there's no cheap battery for it. There's no Walmart value brand battery for it. No $60 battery. Cheapest battery I could find for this car, $115. A $60 battery would have been nice. And then here's the new battery blanket. You need this because the engine bay gets so hot since it's so crammed that you want one of these, or the battery life will be really shortened if you don't have one of these. These are like $23. Even though this is a Fiat, thankfully the battery change is easy. 13mm and 10mm for the posts. That's it, and this is the hold down right here. New battery, fresh blanket, ready to go in. If you're a regular on my channel, you're probably aware that I've been daily driving my new van, and I've been road tripping it, so I haven't been driving this car much at all. I was gonna start daily driving it again because fuel prices are going up, but yeah, the battery died on me I think like 2 months ago, so I stopped driving it again. I was avoiding the inevitable in buying a new battery because there's no cheap batteries for this car, but I'll start daily driving it now. So let's go ahead and put this in. Fresh battery installed, only 3 bolts. Thankfully this was easy. This car being a Fiat, I'm surprised it's not more complicated, and I'm surprised this battery actually fits in this tiny compartment. The battery is as big as the engine. All set up here, set up my time, my date. My fuel economy data went away though, erased when I put in the new battery. Start this up. There we go. Fresh battery. I wonder how long it's gonna last, but there you go. Battery change on an Abarth. Unfortunately, no cheap batteries for this car. 115 is the cheapest you're gonna get. Surprising thing is, it was an easy install, even though this car is a Fiat. Nothing complicated about it. So this car is ready to be daily driven again. Gotta save some money on fuel. Been daily driving the Econoline. 10 to 17 miles per gallon on that one. The worst this car gets is 25. It's nice.